Hi everyone, welcome to the vendor prepayment Xoro guide. In this quick little guide, we're going to record a vendor prepayment, and you also have the option of linking some of that vendor prepayment amount to a purchase order. So I'm at the vendor prepayment module here. I've just found that simply enough by searching through it. First thing you want to do is select the warehouse you want to attach this prepayment to. So if your purchase order is with the main warehouse, you're going to want to record this prepayment also under the main warehouse. Select the vendor which you're recording this prepayment for. Select the total amount that the prepayment is for. So let's say it was for 2,500. I can choose a payment method. Let's say Visa. I can do accounts and so forth. Just consult with your accounting team before you record any of these prepayments. Make sure these accounts have been selected correctly. You can also change the default accounts as well. Get your admin to go here and select page defaults. Basically, they can select the default accounts from here. So what you can actually do is from here, you can actually link. So of this 2,500, you can link some of it. So let's say I can link, let's say I want to link 1,000 of it to this PO. And then I can link an additional, or even the remaining 1,500 to this PO. So you can actually link partial amounts from this total prepayment amount to purchase orders. That way, when you can actually pull up from the purchase order center, you can actually add the column of linked amount, and you'll actually be able to see how much prepayment amount is linked to a purchase order. So let's go ahead, let's click save. And now the prepayment has been saved. So when you actually make a bill payment toward a bill for this vendor, you can actually apply this prepayment at that stage.